So today we're going to show you the Teng Tools workstation. On the top of the workstation you have a compartment where you can keep your Works Diagnostics computer with power access to the rear. Inside you also have a magnetic LED lamp which can be placed anywhere inside the workstation. On the workstation you'll see these gaps where you have an assortment of hooks so you can hang either inside or outside of the workstation. The workstation has 8 drawers. The first drawer we come to, you have the likes of your lump hammers and your Stanley knives. Drawer number 2, and you'll see you have a selection of wire cutters, torque wrenches. On to drawer number 3, and you find these drawers run smoothly on the runners, and you have a selection of screwdrivers. Drawer number 4, you have a selection of spanners and socket sets. And I have to emphasise how smooth these drawers run on the runners. Here we have your electrical insulated screwdrivers and pliers, another torque wrench, nut bolt cutters, and then we have now a set of spanners and riveters. And on to drawer number 7. And drawer number 7 has got another selection of, as you can see, sockets and Allen keys. Drawer number 8 on the bottom is a deep drawer, and it can hold any accessories that you also have to put away in your workstation. The beauty of this workstation, when you close it up at night, is that you have a combination lock for both the workstation and the drawers. And when you're finished, the handles at the side give you easy access to push it on this 5-inch wheelies. This set is coming in at €2,799, and that's with nationwide delivery. And if you're in Letterkenny or Sligo, you can call in and see this product in store.